Hello friends, welcome to CareerClust Learning. We are going to learn everything about AI, ML and other related topics. We already started a quick learning series for the AI terminology that is available in this particular profile. If you are looking for a job or building a resume or looking for any career growth related topics, please check on careerclust.com website. Here we are starting AI concept in detail. Please like, share and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the form of comments that will help us to improve in the upcoming videos. Let's get started. What is artificial intelligence? Okay, artificial intelligence is a very important topic and that is a buzzword and that is very important in our resume or in our profile to get a job. I will explain in a simple terms and with examples and benefits and pros and cons. What is artificial intelligence? The ability of machines or software to perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. The artificial intelligence being used in learning, problem solving, understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and predicting outcomes. In simple words, AI allows computers to think, learn, and act smarter. Coming to a simple definition, artificial intelligence is a technology that enables machines to imitate human intelligence. This is important. Imitate human intelligence means this will think same like a human and performs tasks automatically. Some examples are AI is already a part of our daily life. We are using AI in YouTube recommendations. How we are using in YouTube recommendations? In YouTube, studies our watch history, understand our interest, and predicts what you may watch next. That means if you are opening YouTube and if you are watching a particular kind of videos, it automatically recommends the next upcoming videos according to your interest. In this particular YouTube recommendations, the core concepts are used in recommendation systems and machine learning. And another example of AI is Google Maps navigation. So nowadays we are using Google Maps, and how it works in Google Maps. It predicts traffics, suggests fastest route, and estimates arrival time. And it also suggests what is the toll charges and all. So the core concepts used in Google Maps navigation is predictive AI, real-time data analysis. And another real-time example of artificial intelligence is face unlock. So in face unlock, we use computer vision, pattern recognition, and deep learning. So the core concepts used here is computer vision and deep learning. And another famous topic is ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, the ChatGPT, how it works? It understands our questions, simply prompts. It generates human-like answers, and it learns language patterns. So ChatGPT simply use LLMs, large language models, and NLP, natural language processing. And another well-known example is Netflix recommendations. So it works same like YouTube. In Netflix, it analyzes watch history, it tracks likes and dislikes, and finds similar users, or it suggests similar kind of movies or series according to your interest. In Netflix recommendations, the core concepts used are recommendation system and machine learning. So what are the types of AI? So basically there are three kinds of AIs, from narrow task to hypothetical superintelligence. So we'll start with narrow AI. Narrow AI is simply called as weak AI. So it means AI designed for a specific task, like Siri in iOS mobiles, Alexa, Google Translate. These kind of applications are used for only a specific task. Most AI today is narrow AI. The second kind of AI is general AI. It is called as AGI, artificial general intelligence. What does it mean? AI that can think and learn like humans across many tasks. It means so AI can do work same like humans. So this is still under research, and there is no true AGI exist yet. This is under research only. And the third kind of AI is super AI. This is hypothetical now. AI is smarter than humans in every way. So before AI, uh, the machines are dummy, and whatever the instructions we do, we give to the machine, they perform. But over the AI revolution, the machines are acting smarter than human beings. So coming to the super AI, this is hypothetical. It thinks smarter than humans. So we are seeing this kind of concepts in science fiction movies and theoretical concepts. This is hypothetical for future. How AI works. So you should know the core concept of how AI works. It simply works in three steps flow. First thing is to answer anything that should have data. So that should be trained. So it should collect data. That is the first step. AI learns from huge amount of data like images, videos, text, audio, and all other sources. So that is the collecting data is the first step of AI. And second step is training. So once it's collects all kinds of data, it should be get trained. So it handles thousands of examples and lakhs of examples, and it get trained. So the training is in two forms: supervised training and unsupervised training. So we can cover those concepts later. In the training part, AI studies patterns from data. Whatever the data we collected, the AI collected, that studies all the patterns. Like thousands of cat photos teach AI what a cat look like. So a AI to confirm a photo as a cat, that should be trained with thousands of photos. And the third step is prediction. This is the final step, and this is the outcome of the AI. So in prediction, how it works, AI uses learning patterns to make decisions. So whatever it learned in the second phase and whatever it is collected in the first phase, this knowledge the AI uses to predict. Like, so if we give any photo to AI, like a ChatGPT or any other AI tools, it recognizes a cat in a new image. So this is the way the AI predicts. The three basic steps are collecting data and training and predictions. This is the core concept. And there are other terminology like AI, ML, and deep learning. There is some differences between these three. If you see the below image, these are nested concepts, each building on the other. So if you see it here, this is a diagram which shows AI is the superset of others. So AI is in the broad sense, and machine learning, deep learning are subpart of AI. So artificial intelligence, simply a broad concept of intelligence machines. We can compare this with entire human brain. So if you see here, the AI circle is bigger and all other circles are smaller. So you can understand if you see the examples of others. And coming to the machine learning, it is subset of AI. Systems learn from data. So we can compare it with learning ability in the human brain. So human brain is very bigger, but learning ability in the human brain is some part of brain. If you see it here, the second circle of AI is machine learning. And coming to the third part, deep learning. In deep learning, it is called as advanced ML using neural networks. And deep learning also a subset of machine learning, and in turn it's a subset of AI, artificial intelligence. We can compare it with deep thinking process. So a deep thinking process is a part of learning ability, and it is a part of entire human brain. Okay, this is differences or some understanding about AI, ML, and deep learning, and we can discuss with these topics in the coming series. And important AI terms. So we already started working on these important AI terms in the simple words. You can check out them. The key concepts you should know: machine learning. The machine learning is machines learn from data without explicit programming. So how it learns? By collecting data and by training. And deep learning is advanced AI using neural networks with multiple layers. So you can understand it better if you know the neural networks. We can cover that one later. And what is neural networks? Neural networks are computer systems inspired by human brain. So it will have some concepts like axons and neurons and all the nervous system kind of thing. And another terminology, NLP, natural language processing. What does it mean? AI understanding human language, chatbots, translation apps. And computer vision, AI understands images and videos. So we can go in detail in these topics in the next videos. And generative AI. This is a very common word we are listening every day. Generative AI. AI that creates text, images, music, and videos. Examples are ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, and many others. AI in our daily life. So AI is transforming every industry. We are using AI in healthcare, banking, education, agriculture, e-commerce, automotives, and entertainment. Just think of AI, how we are using in these sectors. Simply, AI is everywhere nowadays and growing every day. Do you agree with that one? Some pros and cons of AI. Every technology has two sides like a coin. Some advantages are it takes very faster decisions and it automates much of the work. It's available 24/7 at any time it's available, and it reduces human efforts, and it takes better predictions. It improves customer experience. Okay, these are few advantages. And coming to the disadvantages, the biggest fear in the market is job replacement fears. So we are seeing many corporates are removing their employees. They are using a full of AI and they are reducing the human resources and employees. So that is the biggest fear of AI. Bias in AI systems, this is another disadvantage. And privacy concerns. So if you are providing all the data about your privacy and your personal information, and we are not sure where the data is used, so that is a privacy concern or privacy threat. That is a security issue we are going to face. And expensive development. So AI is expensive, and if you understand, there are some companies to pay the AI fee or AI subscription amount, they are removing some employees. The expensive development is another disadvantage. And dependency on data, this is also another disadvantage. Like whatever the outcome it gives, that is depending on the data. And one more thing, when you use any ChatGPT or any other model, it will not be having the accuracy data till date. So there is a cutoff date available for it, and it knows the data which is available till that cutoff date. So this is also another disadvantage. Please comment if you understand any other disadvantage and advantage using AI. The future of AI, where AI is heading next. So the AI being used in AI agents. What is AI agent? AI agent is autonomous system that completes complex tasks. So if you give any task to a AI agent that completes it. So it takes its own decision and it completes it. And personal AI assistants. How it works? Tailored AI companion for everyone. So there will be a personal AI assistant for each and everyone. Smart robots, physical robots with advanced intelligence, and autonomous vehicles. And there are already some autonomous vehicles in testing phase, and some are already out. Self-driving cars and trucks and drones. And AI doctors. This is going to be massive in the future. Medical diagnosis and treatment planning. And AI teachers. This is already in place, and we found many bots, many robots which are using for news reading and teaching purpose. So personalized education for every student. And AI developers. AI rating and maintaining software. So if you see, there are many development tools or coding tools came in, like Claude, Kiro, Cursor, Anti-Gravity, and Copilot. Like, the final word is the AI revolution is just beginning, and we can see how it goes. Yep. Thank you for watching. Please share your suggestions, share your thoughts in the form of comments. Thank you again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll meet you again in other video.